Step up to the handle. You want your arm perfectly lined up with the cable. Okay, so you don't want to have the cable in the middle of your body. You want it right on the side. Tuck your elbow in. Keep your wrist nice and straight. We're going to go from a 90-degree angle to all the way down, locking out, hitting that outer head of the tricep. Breathe in on the way up, blow out on the way down. Knees slightly bent, feet are straight, hip, knee, ankle all lined up. Look perfectly straight as well. Keep those shoulders back and down for perfect posture. Look at her arm. It's perfectly stiff. When you keep it stiff, it hits that tricep nice and hard. No other muscles get involved. Abs are tight. Her core is nice and strong. She's coming to exactly right to the side of her body. If you don't come to the side of your body and you come to the front of your thigh, you're not going to be able to lock your arm out all the way. So right down to the side and lock out that tricep.